Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I am going to be making a mason jar salad, my favorite mason jars, for my lunch meal prep for this week. I'm going to do a taco salad. We have tons of taco meat in our house because my kids love tacos, so I make big batches of it, freeze portions. So I just made a batch of it last night for the kids, and so I'm going to use some for my salad for this week. It's going to have taco, ground turkey, taco meat on the bottom. I have cherry tomatoes, cheese, lettuce. I'm gonna make a ranch dressing with some taco seasoning. It gives it a really awesome taco salad dressing. So all my favorite ingredients, you can add in whatever your favorite salad toppings are. And I just love having these salads ready for the week. I have a whole playlist of mason jar salads. I will link that in the description box, so check it out if you love salad as much as I do. I have tons of make-ahead salad ideas. So I'm gonna get this taco salad all made up so it's ready for the week. I'm just gonna add everything into the mason jar. I'm gonna start with the taco meat, then the tomatoes, corn, some shredded cheese, and then I have my lettuce that's all chopped up. So really easy. I just like to always layer the meat on the bottom, and you can put the salad dressing on the very bottom if you'd like, but I like to put that on in the end in a little dressing cup to keep it separated. So I love salad and I love having it ready. I don't have to pull out all these different ingredients each time I want to make a salad. I could just make it once, have it ready for the week. And I love having these for lunch, but they're also really great for dinner. Also, my kids love tacos, so we have taco night at least once a week. So they can have their tacos and I can have my taco salad, and we can all have our taco night on, usually it's on Taco Tuesdays. But really easy, you can customize all the ingredients that are your favorites. So I hope you enjoy these. I love this size of mason jar and my dressing cups, so I will link everything in the description box if you want to try making these salads. These jars are a really perfect size. I got them on Amazon, so check out that link. It'll take you to Amazon and to these exact same jars. So you can really fit quite a bit of lettuce in here. So I just kind of shove it in and pat it down, and you can really fit a lot. So I'm going to use my regular Hidden Valley Ranch dressing, but I'm going to add some taco seasoning in it as well to give it just an extra taco salad flavor. And these are my favorite salad dressing cups, really perfect size. And so they just go right on top of the lettuce, and then I'll put the lid on top of that. And then these salads, I could just grab them and they are ready to go, can take them to work. I like to tip it over on top of to a plate, and the lettuce comes out first, and then all the toppings on top of it just come out perfectly. I hope you enjoyed these salads ready for the week. I have a whole playlist on mason jar salads, so make sure you check it out. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.